watching. Be sure to tune in 1 hour to see all of our festive attractions here. Good morning, friends. Today I'm going to Toronto. Today I'm going to Toronto with my class. Where can I put you? Put you in here, sideways. For a project, but like our final assignment. Before that, the trainers that take Walter while we are away, that train him to, they're coming in like 20 minutes, and I need to fill up these bags with his food. Just little individual bags that they can easily use. And then my friends, I'm driving 2 people down to the market with me, and we will meet up with our entire team, our entire class, and it should be quite a fun. What do you want? You look like an old man who wants all this food. Hello, everybody.
You look A+, but
we are going to Toronto, but does anyone need coffee?
I do.
I'm dying. Aw, thank you. I am dying. Oh, thank you.
I brought my hat too. Look how big it is though.
Oh, that's so cute. That's so cute.
Oh, I need a hat.
Oh, did you not bring a hat?
The one that I had is gross and ugly and...
Where's the keys?
And
me one for Christmas.
You could have started the car.
oh, I don't know. Sorry.
Well, yeah. On the video, we'll be like...
Speak to you about a private matter.
Hi, Cole. Ooh, I like your hat. Roar. You had it the whole time. We out here. I am not cool at all. Guys, I am pretty. Woo! Yes, there you go. Oh my thing. What's happening? We're taking a photo.
Guys, there's a pole covering us. Send this to my mom, please.
So much easier for one of us to
Cute friend. Can we do one? Oh, okay. Okay, we're doing it here. With that?
Hey, wait, can I take it of the 3 of you?
Okay, we're gonna do our first B-roll live hit. Whew. It is so cold. What? Look! 13 days until Christmas. Okay, this way. It's down this way. Whew. That's crazy. Even like a little trinket. Oh, that's so cute.
If you're looking for my handmade ornaments, other crafty items, what is it? In the art gallery.
What?
What was in the art gallery? No, what's the name?
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
And today we are enjoying the end of the school year with a visit to the Toronto Christmas Market in the Distillery District. With 13 days until Christmas, this is a great place to get in the holiday spirit, with many tasty treats, family entertainment, and attractions. But best of all, the holiday shopping it has to offer everyone. For watching, be sure to tune in 1 hour to see all of our festive attractions here.
Christmas market restaurants or what?
Yeah, we're finished our live hit. I'll have to do another one.
How good does it feel to be done?
No one yelling at me.
No one's yelling. Everyone was yelling at us to get. We were writing the script down to like the last minute. Anyways, we're looking for a place to eat. Oh, what about this place? Is this where you're talking about?
In here? It's a noodle bar.
We're looking for a place to eat. I'm starving. No, it's, oh yeah. So cold. And my hands are like freezing and I'm wearing gloves. We are doing our last segment and then we get to go home. Oh, there's a real show on now. Yeah, maybe this side. Yeah, I am home now. That was a long and freezing cold day. It wasn't that, like, temperature wise, it said it wasn't that cold, but I was freezing and I had like the cold sweats because I was so cold. It is 5:30. We literally sat in traffic for a good hour and 20 minutes. That was really annoying. But now I'm home and Walter has been picked up. So sad to not see his cute little squishy face when I walked through that door. But oh my gosh, I gotta pack for San Francisco. I just realized that I've thankfully done laundry, but I've definitely not packed at all. So that is on the list of things to do. But yeah, now I gotta figure out what the rest of the night holds. We are, ooh, is it gonna focus? We are here at Lone Star. We love Lone Star because they have really good fajitas. And I mean, we are not like the, I don't know, we don't eat at a lot of chains here in Canada. But Lone Star has like the best fajitas because they make their own tortillas and they're like so bomb. So yeah, impromptu date night. We feel like free parents because Walter's gone. We don't have to worry about a dog to go home and walk and feed.
But it's cold. Is it closing?
Okay, change of plans. It is closed, which it says online that it's not closed. It's kind of a bummer. We were like really looking. Ooh, but to drive all the way to another one?
I'm so annoyed.
I know. I was looking forward to those fluffy
Me too.
tortillas. Update. We have found another Lone Star and we drove an amount of time that I will not be sharing because it was quite a distance to get here.
20 minutes.
20 minutes for these soft tortillas that are so delicious. Anyways, we will go and enjoy our fajitas. Look at our beautiful tortillas. Steak, yummy. We are home now and it is 11:30. I am exhausted. My eyelashes are off and I am ready for bed. So I'm gonna end it here. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you tomorrow for another video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and I will see you again tomorrow, like I just said. Good night.